Make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that guys, you're going to spend hundreds of dollars, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have check engine light on and code P0108, stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that. Common mistake people make that can actually cost you hundreds of dollars, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger right here. This is a 3.6 engine guys, but even if you have a different year Dodge Challenger, it will work as well. That engine has been used in more than 10 years of that current generation Dodge Challenger. Code P0108 relates to MAP sensor, that's manifold absolute pressure sensor. Most of Dodge Challengers with the 3.6 they do not have MAP sensor. MAP sensor is the mass airflow sensor. It detects how much air the car is getting, but instead it uses the MAP sensor in combination with the air intake air temperature sensor, and it calculates how much air it's getting. So let's remove that cover here. We just grab it, pull it straight up, it comes out like that. And if you come right here before the throttle body, you have the intake air temperature sensor, and the one right here right after the throttle body, that's the MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. If you have code P0108 guys, number one thing, make sure the wires are not pulled out of the connector, because people will try to disconnect it and yank the wires out sometimes. Make sure the wire is not broken or eaten by mice or anything like that. Number two, also make sure the connector is dry, clean, doesn't have any contaminants, and if you disconnect it, that red thing needs to come back. Okay, then you grab right here, push in, push down, and then you pull out. Inspect the wires again and the connector. If that doesn't check out, most likely you have a bad MAP sensor. Now if you want to see how to test MAP sensor on Dodge Challenger, we will have the video on the channel that will teach you how to do that step by step. Next, what you need to do, you grab it like that, and you need to come in a certain position. Okay, you see it doesn't come out. And if you try to pry it, you will break your intake manifold. That intake manifold, it's worth guys hundreds of dollars. You don't want to break it. So you're going to come like that, okay, and you're going to align it with this thing right here facing, and then it has an O-ring that is stuck, but eventually you pull it out and it comes out. This is your MAP sensor. Most likely that's what's causing your problem. Now if you guys want to see how to test it, we'll have on the video on the channel. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.